Hi, welcome to Interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume using the following link. In this video, I'm going to tell you a few tips, top 8 reasons to fail in Java interview. Why people fail in Java interview. So, a few tips, and it'll really helpful for your interview preparation. The first tip is lack of preparation. Though you're working currently in IT industry, you're already coding every day. You code and you find a lot of bugs and you fix the bugs, but still when you go for interview, in the interview will try to ask you the basic questions. He'll not ask you what you're working on, the questions based on the application of the project that you're working on, but they will be asking you on the basic questions. So are you thorough in all the basic questions or not? Okay, so before you go for an interview, you should start preparing for the basic concepts in Java, like Java threads, serialization, hooks concepts, exceptions, JVM, memory, collections, static, string and class loaders, and other topics. So you should prepare thoroughly before even going to the interview. This is one of the main reason people fail in Java interview. I'm already working in a Java project, so why should I prepare? So please start preparing in these topics and other questions. Okay, there are a lot of questions and resources available in the net. You can try it out. The second tip is not practicing enough programming coding examples. So the interviewer might be asking you, can you write a simple program, palindrome, reverse a string without using API, maximum number? Can you develop a stack queue, or can you develop your own hash map? What is your algorithm? We'll be using it internally. Okay, so these are some simple questions they'll be asking you. How do you write your sorting algorithm? How do you sort array of strings? Okay, so you have to practice coding before even going to the interview. So you might be working in a project where 1 billion line of code is there already, but these simple programs you might miss during the interview. So practice. So the more you practice the coding examples, it will be really helpful during the interview. The third point is not reading through Java basics thoroughly. Spend some time on Java basics. Read it for Java. Write some sample program using your Eclipse in your laptop or your PC. Get through those basic questions. Okay, Java pass by value. Write some basic questions and basic program in your laptop, and read through Headfirst Java at least once before going for the interview. Not aware of expected questions. You might be experienced or less experienced or an expert, but if you're not aware of what it will be the expected questions, and if you're not prepared, you might say something. So please be aware of the expected questions. In the internet, a lot of question banks are available. So read those questions, practice. Okay, and the other point is rehearse your answers before even attend the interview. Rehearse your answers. What I'm going to say, for example, strings are immutable. Why? What is the use? Okay, what I'm achieving it. Hash map equals and hash code method. What is the importance? If I don't use it, what will happen? Okay, so you should be what to say and what to avoid. What to avoid in the sense there should not be any confusion during the discussion. So what is the interviewer is expecting from me? So state only those things so that the interview will go in a smooth and it will end in success. Have a good network of interview discussions. Good network in the sense in the internet you will have a forum where people discuss about the interview questions. Go and participate there and read the answers. And the seventh point is discuss with your friends. The moment you finish your interview, go and discuss with your friends. This is how the interview went. They were asking me to write a program. They were asking a lot of Java questions. This was the answer I gave. Okay, so you will get good suggestion. I'm sure people will give you good suggestions. So learn from your previous failed interview. Don't worry about the interview that you failed recently. Just learn from the previous and failed interview. What are the questions you didn't answer properly? Please prepare, add on to your list. Keep preparing more and keep on moving. Don't worry about the failed interview. You will get it in the future interview. So if you are failed, where you failed, how you failed, what was the interview question you didn't answer properly, keep preparing and move on. be aware of the good books, websites to start preparation. So if you're not aware of good books and websites, I think you will fail in Java interview. So I'm going to give you 4 books that I'm aware of. You can start reading at first Java SCJP, Java JT Job Interview Companion Book, Effective Java for senior programmers. If you want more details and in-depth concepts, there are other books as well, but I'm just giving a starting point where you can start reading these books and start preparing for your Java interview. And these are the 10 Java interview websites that you can go through and try to answer those questions and learn questions from these websites. It will be really helpful for you. And SCJP, go through points to remember. In each chapter there will be a points to remember, so go through those points to remember. It will be really helpful. And here you can have expected questions, how the questions will be, and here you will have the basic concepts. In it first Java you will get the basic concepts. These are the top 8 reasons to fail in Java interview. Hope this video is useful for your interview preparation. I hope you will enjoy your interview. Thank you and all the best for your interview. Thank you.